Have you ever wondered how a trip becomes an adventure? Well, after traveling to Thailand, I think I found my answer. All right, so I went to Thailand. Of course, I did not go alone. I went with one of my very good friends, Jaden.
I just started bleeding, bro. So I'm like sitting here.
You get a little nervous?
Getting all excited.
Now, we had a very specific objective in mind while in Thailand. Well, of course, we also just wanted to experience the country and its culture as a whole. But after doing a lot of research on this country, we found a very specific thing that we can do. Someone that we can find. And that was to find Bunthon City Paisan. Now you might be wondering, who's Bunthon City Paisan? I've never heard of him before. Well, he's actually one of Thailand's most renowned swords craftsmen. So good at his craft that way back in the day, not even that long ago, he actually made swords for the king of Thailand. He is now humbly sitting somewhere in northern Thailand. But our goal was not just to find this blacksmith. We actually wanted to get our own handcrafted, handmade jungle knives. So of course, with all that information, we set off on our adventure. Enjoying our first week and a half in the southern part of the country, doing all of the touristy and popular things that you just have to experience while in Thailand. So then for the last few days of our trip, we flew all the way up to Chiang Mai in the northern part of Thailand.
Ensure that you have all your belongings with you. Thank you.
Whoa, we're outside.
And we began our search for the hidden blacksmith. All right, Jaden.
What's up?
Oh, what's our plan for the next couple days?
We're gonna go to Lamping tomorrow.
We gotta rent scooters from our hostel here.
Yeah, sounds sketch.
We're gonna drive 2 hours to Lamping.
Dude, just two dudes on a scooter.
Two dudes on a scooter. Yeah, we're just getting one scooter. All the way to Lamping for a blacksmith that's gonna make us some epic swords.
Jungle knives.
Jungle knives.
Why do I look like I'm homeless? Just
Anyway,
chilling out in my
that's the plan. That's the plan.
bamboo bed.
Okay. Jaden just drove about hour and a half, hour 20 minutes on a highway in Thailand, Chiang Mai. We started in Chiang Mai, went all the way to Lamping, and I'm pretty sure we're the only non-Thai people around. Our butts are just like
In so much pain.
so much pain. It was a far drive. I can't believe we went that far. Anyways, we'll find this blacksmith. It'll be sick.
Put my sunnies of safety on. Oh, you want to see them?
They're not even sunny. We both look ridiculous. We got helmets on.
I feel fantastic.
I feel safe.
If I could have more helmets, I think I'd be kind of happy.
Yeah. Having absolutely no idea where to begin our search, we ended up parking our bike just outside of Lamping in a little town that we don't know the name of, asking a bunch of locals if they might know where this blacksmith might be.
Oh, Miss, go turn left.
You see it? Yes. You see it? Okay.
So turn left, go down the left.
Go to left.
No? No? Okay. Thank you. No, not anywhere around here? No?
No?
Okay.
Okay. Still no luck. We're trying though, we're trying. After about an hour of asking locals if they might know where this blacksmith might be, and getting the same answer, saying no, we have no idea what you're talking about, we were really losing hope. And then out of nowhere, this random local on a bike gave us the answer that we might have been looking for. Blacksmith.
Blacksmith.
Blacksmith เลยเหรอ ยากเลยงานนี้ It's so hard Okay, this way.
Yeah?
Oh, you know where?
No way.
I know where to ask him.
Oh,
okay,
okay.
yeah.
เลี้ยวรู้จักไหม
Yeah.
ตรงฝั่งนู้นใช่ไหม
ไม่ต้องฟังนี้ข้างๆบ้านทางซ้ายมืออ่ะ
ร้านบัวตอง
ปังปังปังปังรู้จักร้านบัวตองป่ะ
โอเคแย่โอเค I know
Yeah?
Where you come from
Canada.
Canada.
Yeah.
Canada
Canada.
How about you
Canada for me.
Canada.
Vancouver
Toronto.
I see
Yeah.
Ready for you
Riot car
Okay.
Oh, okay. Are we about to just hop in some guy's car?
Dude, we're literally gonna end up here in the middle of nowhere.
Are we gonna hop in a guy's car?
I guess. We don't even have storage.
Alright, this is our ride. We're just hopping in.
Sweet, nice car.
ที่ไหนก็ได้บ้านเดี๋ยวว่าบ้านเกียวอะไรนะลุงเกียวลุงเกี้ยวลุงอย่างวะ
Found it. That looks like it could be it.
Yes Oh
This is it
Yeah.
but It's so close
There's a gate.
That's the dog. Oh, there's someone in there.
There's someone there. There's someone there. We're asking.
What do you mean
Alright, we gotta ask. Oh, we're coming in.
Okay
Yeah. Got ourselves some knives. And that concludes our adventure finding our hidden blacksmith in Thailand. Honestly, this country is just filled with so many hidden gems like Banthan. I can't wait to go back and see what else I can discover. Okay, goodbye.
ขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณครับ That was an adventure.
That was crazy.
I can't believe that worked. I can't believe we found that.